My name is Arbaz. For a long time, I believed that resting was a waste of time. If I was not working, I felt guilty. If I took a break, I thought I was being lazy. Because of this, I tried to stay busy all the time. Study, practice, work. At first, it felt productive. But slowly, something changed. My mind became tired. My focus decreased. Even when I studied English, I could not concentrate properly. One day, I sat with my notebook, trying to learn new words. But my mind felt heavy. I read the same sentence again and again, but I could not understand it. That evening, my elder brother noticed my frustration. He asked, "What's wrong?" I said, "I'm trying to study, but I can't focus." He smiled and said, "Maybe you need a break." I replied, "But I don't want to waste time." He looked at me and said something important. Rest is not a waste of time. It is part of productivity. Those words stayed in my mind. The next day, I tried something different. After studying for some time, I took a short break. I walked outside. I breathed fresh air. I relaxed my mind. When I returned, something felt different. My mind was clearer. I could focus better. I understood things more easily. That small change made a big difference. Days passed. I created a balanced routine. Study for some time. Take a short break. Then continue. Slowly, my energy improved. My learning improved. My confidence increased because I stopped forcing myself to work without rest. Now, I understand something clearly. Breaks are not a sign of weakness. They are a sign of balance. When you rest properly, you return stronger. Today, I still work hard, but I also take breaks without guilt because I know rest helps me grow. Final thought. Do not feel guilty for resting. Balance is important for progress. Ending line. Keep learning English. Keep taking healthy breaks. And always remember, rest is part of success.